In our last class, we explored metalwork, hand tools, cutting tools, essential for shaping materials through sawing, filing, chiseling, and scraping. In today's class, we'll delve into metalwork, hand tools too. Chisels. Chisels, essential for shaping metals, are crafted from hardened high-carbon steel. They offer precision, excel in material removal, and showcase versatility in tasks such as leveling surfaces and cutting keyways. Types of chisels. 1. Flat chisel, for leveling surfaces, removing rivets, screws, and cutting sheet metals. 2. Crosscut chisel, used for cutting keyways, spines, and slots. 3. Round nose chisel, ideal for cutting oil grooves and forming V-shaped grooves. 4. Diamond point chisel, perfect for cutting V-grooves and crafting oil wells. Scrapers. Scrapers, crafted from medium carbon steel, play a vital role in removing imperfections. Types of scrapers. 1. Flat scraper, achieves precise flatness on machined or filed surfaces. 2. Half-round scraper, removes high spots on curved surfaces. 3. Triangular scraper, navigates awkward corners. Driving tools. Driving tools include hammers, punches, and screwdrivers. Hammers. Featuring a metal head and wooden handle, hammers are common tools. Types of hammers. 1. Ball-peen hammer, for riveting conical end rivets. 2. Cross-peen hammer, used in tight spaces. 3. Straight peen hammer, designed for V-grooves. 4. Special hammers, mallets, used when a steel head may be too forceful. Punches. Punches are tools for punching holes, driving out rivets, and more. Types of punches. 1. Pin punches, for driving dowel pins. 2. Round punches, effective for removing round sleeves. 3. Square punches, extract square bar sleeves. Screwdrivers. Essential for fixing or removing screws, screwdrivers are made from hardened carbon steel. Types of screwdrivers. 1. Flat screwdrivers. 2. Star screwdrivers. 3. Ratchet screwdrivers. 4. Allen key. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.